Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to log into the Slack app on your desktop quickly and easily. Let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your desktop. If you haven't installed it, go to slack.com/downloads and install it. Once the app is open, you'll see the sign in to Slack button. Click on it and it will take you to the browser window. You can also sign in by visiting the official Slack website and clicking on Sign In, located near the source icon. This will open the same page as if you had opened Slack from the desktop app. Now you have a few options to sign in. Sign in with Google account or sign in with Apple account. If you want to sign in with Google, click on Sign in with Google, then select your Google account or enter your Gmail ID and password. Slack may ask for permission to access the account. Click Continue to proceed. After that, click Create Workspace and you are inside Slack. Follow the same process if you want to sign in with an Apple account. If you don't have a Slack account yet, you can create one easily. Click Create New Account in the top right corner and enter your email address. Then tap Continue and check your Gmail for a 6-character verification code. Enter it and you are all set. And that's it. You have successfully signed in to Slack on your desktop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech guides. See you in the next video.